Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Acura TLX versus the BMW 330i. Let's dive into their performance. The Acura TLX comes with a powerful 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, delivering 272 horsepower. In contrast, the BMW 330i also features a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, producing 255 horsepower. The TLX utilizes a 10-speed automatic transmission, while the 330i offers a responsive 8-speed automatic, both providing excellent driving experiences. Moving inside, the Acura TLX features a 10.2-inch infotainment display, controlled by its unique True Touchpad interface. The BMW 330i impresses with a larger 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and a 14.9-inch central display, offering a more expansive view. Both sedans provide premium audio options and a suite of advanced driver assist technologies, ensuring a connected and safe journey for everyone on board. When it comes to driving dynamics, the Acura TLX focuses on a comfortable ride, especially with its available super handling all-wheel drive. The BMW 330i, however, is engineered for a sportier feel, offering precise steering and an engaging driving experience. In terms of value, the TLX often provides a comprehensive package of standard features, while the 330i allows for extensive customization, which can influence its overall price. In conclusion, if you're looking for a comfortable ride with a strong suite of standard features and excellent value, the Acura TLX is an outstanding choice. However, if your priority is dynamic driving, precise handling, and the prestige of a luxury brand, the BMW 330i will likely be more appealing. Both vehicles offer a premium experience, so your decision depends on your personal driving preferences. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to some great leak-proof meal prep containers and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.